Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So my name is Adrienne. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 beautiful children, and I like to do reviews, wigs, makeup, wide variety of things on my channel. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out my other videos. But today's video is going to be this New Year 2024 BoxyCharm by Ipsy's unboxing. Let's see how they're setting the tone for the year. I don't know. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm a little skeptical, but that's all right. Let's just get it. Okay, so you know me, I have a huge thing for packaging and all of that stuff. Like, I don't want my items to be wiggly jiggly. Sorry, I'm just opening up the app. That way I can tell you guys what I got, how much it is, and blah blah blah. But first thing in the box was this little thing, doohickey thing. It's useless to me. I can't stand it. There was some paper in there. It was a little loose, a little wiggly jiggly. So I already pre-opened it because I knew that I had concealer in there, which I did use, but I did not film it because it's concealer. I wasn't. We'll get into it when it pops up. But I do not use. I'm not paying for. Let me rephrase that. I am not paying for the Beauty Boost. So just FYI. I do not have that. It's just the box. So, oops, sorry, my phone is going off. Okay, so the first item in the box was the Anastasia by Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer in shade number 7. The shade that they sent me, because I didn't know whether or not I was going to use it to conceal my face, highlight, or whatever. This shade is a decent shade for a highlighter under eyes for me. I got the shade number 7. I was hoping for something that would be like, I could kind of use it as a foundation to kind of test it out and show you guys for this video, but it was just an under eye concealer, nothing too crazy. I will say that the doe foot, let me show you that, is very different from any other doe foot I've seen before. This concealer retails for $29. Can you guys see the shape of that concealer? It is 0.4 fluid ounces and it is full size. It is creamy and it did feel very nice on the skin. It felt a little thick while putting on, but it could have been the doe foot. But so far I like it. It did blend out very nicely. I used my powder foundation from Bare Minerals over top. And it seemed to work out really well. I will say I could still see my dark circles. So I didn't color correct because I wanted to see how well it could go. But I was afraid to thicken it up or layer it up because it is for my under eyes. But, you know, it was okay. I would probably still use my Shape Tape, but I did really like the doe foot. If you hear the kids in the background, I apologize. They are in the bathroom behind me, and my daughter's giving my son a bath, and they're just playing around in the water. So if you hear them screaming and squealing, that's because that's the next item that they picked was the Ren Clean Skincare Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream. I was going to say serum. It is not a serum. It is a cream. Okay, so price point on this item is $54. It is 50 milliliters, blah, 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 blah. And it is considered full size. This is a moisturizer. I've never used a vitamin C moisturizer before. I do know that this brand is very good. Obviously vitamin C is going to be brightening and all that. This is supposed to be good for sensitive skin. Award-winning cruelty-free gel cream, which is designed for sensitive skin types in mind to help brighten, protect from free radicals, reduce hyperpigmentation for skin that looks plumper, brighter, and more hydrated. Morning and evening, massage a dime-size amount onto clean skin. I'm wondering, because I do use niacinamide every day in the morning, I'm wondering if this will be safe to use on top of that. If you guys know, leave a comment down below. I would love to know about that. Just because I am interested in this item. But if it's not going to be able to go with my already skincare regimen, then I'm going to put it in a giveaway. So I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to, you know, pump anything. Just because, again, now I'm not really too sure if I'm going to be able to use it with my niacinamide, which is from The Ordinary, by the way. So the next item was a choice item, and it is the In Beauty Project Pimple Paste. I will say this month's choices, I wasn't thrilled. I wasn't thrilled at all. I was very disappointed in the choices. But I was breaking out, I guess, because I'm breaking out right now too because I'm on my period, so there's that. Why not try it? I have tried the one from Kate Somerville and Mario Badescu, the drawing, pink stuff. So I saw this and I was like, okay, why not? Why not? Never heard of it. It's called Pimple Paste. I wonder if it will really work. To be honest, I'm not really sure. But this is what the tube looks like out of the packaging. It matches the box pretty well. This item retails for $17. It is 8 milliliters, and it is a full-sized product. This is supposed to be alcohol-free, fast-acting drying paste. Okay, yeah, no, I read that right. So it's supposed to dry out your acne. It is packed with natural ingredients like willow bark, sulfur, and tea tree oil, azelaic acid, clay, zinc, oregano, and thyme. Wow, okay. I've never used, I've used the other, Kate Somerville has sulfur in it. But as for thyme, oregano, and all that, that's super interesting. Okay. It is transfer proof. Oh, I like that. Because the other ones were very flaky and they would just dry and you could sleep with it, but it would just leave a mess. So that is interesting. Okay. I can't wait to try that now. The next item is a choice item. And this is Dew of the Gods, the Theory Retinol Moisturizer. So skincare is a big thing. I use a lot of retinol as it is. And I've tried there was a clay mask that they sent, which I really liked. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, yeah, this, I can get down with this. I could try this. And again, it's a moisturizer. So if I can't use this one, I got this one. This does retail for $42. It is 50 milliliters, full size moisturizer. It says introducing the new standout favorite of your skincare routine with soothing properties of oat milk, collagen boosting benefits of retinol, and the deep hydration of hyaluronic acid. This all-day moisturizer is sure to become a holy grail. Morning and night. I love that it has hyaluronic acid and collagen boosting benefits in here, and soothing because my skin can be irritated at certain points of the year. So that seems great. The next item that I have is another choice, and I got the Wing Me Cosmetics Halo Series Brush Trio. I picked this. I am going to be putting this in my giveaway drawer for sure. Again, the choices in this box weren't all that great. I thought they looked cool, like a iridescent, chromy, I don't know the word I want to say for that, but I thought they looked very nice. So why not, Retails for $34. It is a 3 count. It is a brush set. It looks, let me see, do they say? I don't really know. Let's see. Okay, it does say on the app. So it has a blush brush, a highlighter brush, and a concealer brush. So that is going to be for sure in my. Then we have add-ons, because when I'm typically not thrilled with the box, I will go through their add-ons and see what kind of makes it worthwhile. You know what I'm saying? So we have the JLo Beauty JLo Glow Serum that I put in for an add-on. I have tried her eye cream, which I liked. I did not really enjoy her cleanser. It was okay. I don't know. It was okay. Like, her cleanser wasn't all that great to me. I do have some other products that I got in their mega drop shop or something that I tried, like her body serum and her body lotion. So we're going to see how those go. But this is $79. Whew. $79, guys. Good Lord. The quality, it feels heavy. And I do love her packaging. I will say that. This is 45 milliliters, full size, a serum. So I don't know. Let's just read what this says. So the name speaks for itself. This serum's a game changer status that is all thanks to a sugar-derived skin-lifting matrix, Japanese rice sake and yeast-derived ferments, which condition and help brighten the skin for that unbridled JLo glow. Okay. I mean, I want to have a JLo glow. She got really good skin. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of it's filters and stuff. because I know her skin is now transitioning. You know, she's aging, and she's aging gracefully. I'm going to tell you that. So, I mean, if it can make me age like that, I'm all about it. The next add-on that I got was the Herbivore Botanicals Lapis Blue Tansy Face Oil. I had been eyeing this, and I think I even have another bottle of this. I'm not gonna lie. Just because I'm hearing good things about the ingredients in here, and I was like, you know what? The discounts that you can get, it's worth it. I'm just saying, it's worth buying. $74. I did not pay $74. I'm gonna tell you that right now. This is 1.7 ounce full size. It is a face oil. And what it says on here: forget what you've heard about using a face oil, especially from this Herbivore Botanicals, on your combo or oily skin is a total yes. The clarifying formula uses a blend of blue tansy, kukui oil, I don't know if I'm saying that right, and jojoba oil to help balance oil production, soothe redness without drying you out. Yes. The last item is another, I know I had gotten this prior and I totally forgot about it, to replace my original, but I had to do it. Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm not sure if it still retails for about 40. Yeah, it does. $45. And I mean, it's an eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow palette. It has all the tones. This is my first like big major brand purchase back when I started doing makeup. So now I have two. My bad. When you don't know what you purchase half the time. All right, you guys. So that wraps up this month's BoxyCharm by Ipsy Box. What are my thoughts? I wasn't too impressed. Their choices, I was not impressed with. I mean, the items that I did get, let me just put away my add-ons. I'm possibly keeping the 3 and maybe giving away 2. That's not too bad. So, but I'm not sure about this one. So if I end up keeping this, it's an overall okay box. Again, the choices I wasn't thrilled about because this wouldn't have been like my immediate choice had I seen something else. This was like, well, I might as well try that. You know what I'm saying? The brushes were, well, okay, well, I can do this in a giveaway. You know what I'm saying? The choices weren't like, yes, I want to try that. Yes, I need that. It wasn't all that great. Hence the 3 add-ons. You know, that this made up, honestly, for the lacking of choices. So there's that. I would have to give this box a 3 out of 5, to be honest. That's just, so far they're not setting the tone. I'm not feeling it. It's just not, I don't know. We'll see what next month's brings, because my subscription ends this Christmas, and we're going to see if I keep the subscription. Honestly, you guys, I don't know. But we'll see. We'll see how this goes. So that wraps up today's video. You guys, do not forget to like and leave your comments down below. And if you made it this far in the video, do not forget to sting that subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos anywhere from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, your mom, your neighbor, your brother, your neighbor, your brother, whoever. Yeah. And hopefully I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.